Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen cooking for you guys, just brilliant. But anyway, I get some requests from Jamaican jobs and I decided to do it because I did have some coconut left over, and you know, it's very easy to make, so I say I have to make some coconut jobs for the fans and who ask for it. So hopefully guys, if you're at home and you're a Jamaican background, this can help you to fill some of the gap. Hopefully you like the recipe, subscribe to the channel. Basically, coconut jobs is something which is really sweet. If you're allergic to sweetness, you cannot have this one unless you're gonna cut back on sugar. So remember, brown sugar is the best thing most Jamaicans use for coconut jobs. So you can get brown sugar, you can get coconut to buy at any local shop, supermarket. All you need to do is to get the one which already prep. It's better for you guys because some ladies cannot break the coconut and cut it up very small. So if you want to make my recipe, I would advise you go to the shop and get the one which already prep. It's better for you to make Jamaican coconut jobs unless you're gonna ask someone to cut up that coconut and you make it after. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and there's some more tips I got below about Jamaican coconut. Jamaican coconut is famous in Jamaica. You know what I mean? Places like St. Mary, Portland, and these places. That's where the most coconut they in the world. Thank you so much, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Remember to donate and get a copy of the cookbook. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So guys, today was to say we're gonna make you a nice, lovely Jamaican coconut jobs. And as I said before, that coconut in Jamaica is one of the most popular places. They're talking about like Portland, St. Mary, and St. Thomas. These places in Jamaica, you get so many coconut, you never can tell. But Jamaican coconut jobs is just a tradition thing which goes on for life and forever. Basically, coconut, we all know how coconut look like already. It's just a round thing and it dry. I'm using the dry coconut today to make my coconut jobs. Basically, if you go into the big supermarket or the little supermarket, local supermarket, them you can ask them for some coconut which already prep. That's the best way. So I just go inside and just brought a small tub like this, which you don't need to scoop up and to occupy yourself to break the coconut. So basically, this is the way the coconut stay, and as you can see, I start to cut it up already. At the moment, I'm just simple cutting up it very small because I'm gonna make some coconut jobs. And as you can see, the size of it, how I'm doing it, really nice. Second thing I want to simply say, I must say, I just grated some ginger and I use this part of the grater right here, guys. The grater, you can use this part, but I just use this side because ginger is really nice to go when you are making coconut jobs. And we're gonna put some spices also inside of it to give it flavor and some brown sugar. So as it goes along, you will see exactly what we are talking about. So we're gonna move to the next step. As you can see, this is a dried coconut. I just finished cut it up and it is just lovely. So look how we make the next section now, guys. Nice and lovely. So basically I have a medium-sized frying pan on the stove just to make you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Empty, nothing inside of it. And all I'm gonna do is use 1 glass of water inside of it like this. Soon as the water starts to boil, we're gonna put in the coconut jobs. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, water starts to get boiled. Pop in the coconut straight inside of it like this. Nice one. Give it a little stir. And what next we're gonna do? Just give that for about 3 seconds. So we're gonna put half cups of sugar, and I'm using some brown sugar. Now they're gonna do, you're gonna put some almond inside of it. Some almond to give it flavor. Almond essence is really nice to give it flavor. And also a pinch of vanilla to give it flavor. And a pinch of cinnamon, not too much. And that lovely ginger should just grate out for flavor also. Give it a stir. In the meantime, it's lovely. So this is exactly what you want to see when it boils go down. Look at that. That is fantastic, guys. And you can smell the scent of the ginger and of the cinnamon. If you have cinnamon leaf, you could put a piece of cinnamon inside of it, or it's just beautiful. So as you can see, it's simmering right down to 0, guys, and that's what you're looking for. That is fantastic, looking lovely and nice. So hopefully guys will like this recipe of how you can do yourself some chops at home. And this is with how most Jamaican do their chops with ginger. If you don't have ginger, you're not gonna get that lovely flavor. Look at that one. So now we're gonna show you how to lay it out on a piece of a greaseproof paper. Normally in Jamaica we use banana leaf, but we are in England. I have banana leaf, but most people now understand how to use the banana leaf, so we're gonna use what we have. Alright? Nice and lovely. So this is it right here. Basically you can use 2 spoons. That's the best way to use to do it, and it come out even better. But I'm just gonna use my 1 spoon right here. Most people use foil, but to be honest, banana leaf is one of the best things to use. Still hot, guys, because it's sugar. Jamaican coconut chops. So as you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about with the coconut, Jamaican coconut chops. Really nice and beautiful. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. As you can see, Jamaican coconut chops. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. As you can see, very easy to make, and if you know what you're doing, can even come out better than that. So enjoy it and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. So all you need to do is make this cool down for half an hour, then you can eat them. Really sweet and nice. If you're a person who loves sweet stuff, be careful, because this is sweet. If you don't like sweet stuff, you're not gonna like this one, because this one is the sugar. Enjoy. Thank you so much.